Some indigent persons, especially the elderly, have benefited from the goodwill of Aniocha-Oshimili Association hosting Texas, USA. The elderly persons were empowered with cash gifts to assist them. A notable son of Asaba from Umudaike, Obueshi Gene Azinge, and other Asaba indigents sourced for funds through their honorable membership of the association. Now the targeted are being presented with the cash to assist them. Some youths also received the goodwill for skills acquisition, such as in fashion, design, confectionaries, among others.
Gone so far visiting the indigents, and especially the elderly ones, those who have none to take care of them. And here we are at Umweze, where we met Mrs. Chukuma. We have gone to Umuago, we have gone to, that is Umunalo, we have gone to Umuanaji, we have gone to various other quarters within Asaba, where we have visited all these people. And they are very, very happy, praying earnestly for the Aniocha-Oshimili Association residents in Houston, Texas, UST, who have done this act of charity. What they have done is depicted in Matthew chapter 20, verse 45, where Jesus Christ himself said that whatever you do to the least of my brethren, that you have done unto me. So it is not unto human, but unto God himself that they have done this. So, and my prayer is that God will continue to strengthen them, bless them, and give them all their needs to continue this kind gesture.
The beneficiaries appreciated the gesture, praising and praying for the members of the association.
I will see.
Plans are on to impart more persons. Kelvin Ubechi, STV News, Asaba. Aniocha-Oshimili.